Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I need to hurry up and get one of the products in this box on my lips because they are chapped, but that's why I didn't put anything on because I know that's one of the products. As you can see by the title, today I'm doing a video on the new Colourpop Disney Mulan collaboration that I think launches today. So I might actually have to like edit this as soon as I'm done filming it and then upload in case you guys wanted to purchase it if it does launch today, because I'm sure that's something that's going to sell out. But this is the packaging of it. Pretty. Okay, some thought went into the packaging. We'll see the actual products. I haven't opened anything. Ooh, okay. Ooh, oh, upside down. Ow! I just scratched my face trying to show this, but this is the inside. I think these are some lip products, eyeshadow palette, a fan. The lip product I was talking about, a face milk, I think that's what they call it. And then, what is this, blush powder? Blush? Pressed powder blush? And blush as well. Which one am I holding it? Of course, the first product didn't want to come out, but this is the Gold Lip Mask. This nourishes and softens lips with shea butter. Features a soft golden shimmer for a healthy looking shine. So I'm just going to throw that on really quickly. Yeah, it smells like shea butter. And ooh. Oh, they weren't playing on the gold. Okay. Use a little too much there. It's giving me a little chicken grease, but it's a lip mask. I'm gonna take it off by the end of the look. I'm not that worried about it. It smells good and it feels good, at least for now. I'll let you know by the end of the video. I'm gonna go in with the actual eyeshadow palette next. So this is the Mulan palette. It's a fierce, warm gold and red palette inspired by the legendary Mulan with a mix of mattes, metallics, and foiled shadow finishes. Create looks fit for a warrior. Okay, so I mean, I have an idea of what I would think. The weird thing, okay, this is gonna sound very strange to a lot of people. I've never actually seen the movie Mulan. Like, you know how even though you might not have watched some things at home as a kid, like you still watch them in school. Like that's how I watched Finding Nemo. That was in school. Like that wasn't something I watched at home, but like I have never actually seen the movie Mulan. So the point of that was that I haven't seen the movie to have like a full grasp of what I would think the palette would look like. But from the packaging, the collection packaging, and like the small things I know about the movie, I have an idea of what I would think the inside looks like. But this is what the inside looks like. That's not what I was thinking, but I didn't see the movie, so I don't know if this is spot on. I'm sure you guys will tell me in the comments down below. I'm just going to create some type of look with this palette. Okay, let's try this Strength shade right here as a transition color. And I'm just gonna place that right here. And then this shade Guiding Spirit, and put that all in my crease. And a little bit of this True shade. You know, this palette isn't giving me the most to work with matte shades, so gotta get a good build up there. And let's keep that out here, but drag it out. I'm gonna try this first shade Undefeated first. What is with my camera today? I'm not sure where to hold this. I'm gonna, ooh, okay. I'm gonna place that out here. And then this shade Loyal. I think Loyal might be one of those shades you're supposed to use your fingers to get the best pigment. Like you can tell because it won't want to, like the brush won't want to pick up the product that well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to use my finger for that shade, which I hate using my fingers for makeup, especially right now. I was on Twitter and I was like, how do you take off acrylics with no acetone? Because you guys know, one, you can't leave the house, and two, you can't find like anything on the internet now, so kind of stuck here with these nails that are growing. Yeah, it's better off with your fingers. With these nails that are growing out, And people either, one, told me how to take your acrylics off with acetone, which I said I don't have, or it was like, oh, if they're like ready to pop off, just use like a Metro card or anything like that. And they're not, like they're not lifting at all. So I'm just like, someone said try warm water, so I'm gonna try that, but it's not looking promising for you, girl. Of course, the prettiest shade in the palette would be the one that you have to use your fingers for. Let me try this shade, Defiant, in my outer corner. I mean, technically, oh, too much on the brush. Technically, it's a shimmer shade. But yeah, I mean, when it's a black shimmer, like it's very rarely going to look metallic-y, so it can still work. And then use this shade, ooh, that I dug my finger right into. Use this shade, Be Swift, as like an inner corner highlights, but into my eyeshadow look. I think this, oh wait, no, I was gonna say, I think this might be another, like you gotta use your finger for it. Interesting eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna move on to their face milk. This is the Jasmine face milk. Did they say anything about this? Formulated with jasmine flower to calm and quench your skin for a hydrated, healthy look. I've never used the face milk before. I can't tell if this is a moisturizer or a primer. It reads like a moisturizer if you read the descriptions of their other milk face milks on the website, but I see people say they use it as a primer. I'm gonna use it as a moisturizer just because, you know, better play it safe than sorry. Yeah, this has to, oh yeah, this has to be a moisturizer. Like, what is this priming? This is like milky water on the face. So the next two things I have to show you are the blushes. And can I just say, I like that the packaging is on the actual product itself. I can't stand those collections where the packaging that's actually drawing you to the product is only on the box that you're gonna throw away, and then you get to the product and it's basic, like what they always do. So I like that the packaging is on the actual product you're going to keep. So the first shade is this shade called Matchmaker. Oh. It's called Matchmaker. This is what that blush looks like. Okay, and the other one is called Good Luck Charm. I mean, I guess it's kind of, do I want to use it? I was gonna say, I think it's kind of obvious we're gonna be using Good Luck Charm, but it's not my type of good luck. So I put a type of pinkish blush down, and then I'm just going to do that Good Luck Charm over it, which, I mean, like there's no point, but it's kind of like a shimmer blush, so you know, you could use it as a little bit of highlights as well. I guess it's not doing anything for me, but you know, it's something. I put it on, I tried it. That's how it's swatched on the back of my hand that you can't like really see. See, look, making use out of the entire PR package. This is the fan that came with it, very pretty. Okay, I've got 3 lip products here. This is the Lux Liquid Lipstick in Strong Chi. Ooh, it's a red. Ooh. That's what that looks like. And then this is a Luxe Gloss in Phoenix. This red too. Oh, okay. Oh. What is wrong with these things? That kind of looks like the lip mask in just lip gloss form. It's got like a gold reflex. And then, what are you? This is a Lux lipstick in, maybe the name is on the inside. In Mulan? H-U-A? I'm sure someone will tell me in the comments. Oh, she's really pink though. That's what that shade looks like. I'm gonna use the lipstick. Actually, I kind of want, I could use all of them. I did a little hinty hint of the red gloss, and then I'm not sure about this gloss. Let's try it in the middle. See how I heal. So that is it for everything in the collection. My thoughts on this, I'm not that impressed with it. Like I said, I haven't seen the movie, so maybe the story and the colors used make sense to people who have. I have not, but from at least what I've tried, it was just kind of bland. I don't know, it was just kind of bland. I mean, some of this is not, it's not dark skin friendly, like the two blushes. The lip products, they're you know, anyone can use those, but I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys have all three of these colors in your lip collection. I feel like the only reason you would purchase any of these is because it's part of this collection and you might be a collector. I'm pretty sure Colourpop itself, but I know like a whole bunch of makeup brands have done the whole like Disney collaborations, Frozen, all that stuff. So maybe you're a collector, maybe that's why you would get it. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm certainly that type of person who would buy something just because it's attached to something that I like. So I'm not saying anything's wrong with you if you know, purchase it just for that reason, but I'm just saying like I feel like that's the reason people would purchase it, not because it's like, I don't have a red that looks like that. I need that one. I'm sure you do. So the lip products are nice. I like the lip products. I like this combination of all three of them together. But back to the eyeshadow palette, we get back to that whole like, you know, it being dark skin friendly. Out of the matte shades, it's not giving me much to work with. There's that. And then when you get to the shimmer shades, some of the darker shade, no, this one. Some of the darker shades are, they're not shimmers, but they've got like shimmer reflexes in them. They're not going to show up when you put them on your face. Even this shade that I used as the black, like once you put it on your eye, it's not going to be a shimmer shade. So okay. I really do like Colourpop's like what do you call those, the Super Shock shadows. They are some of the best pigmented type of shadows out there, and if all of their shimmer shades were like those, then I'd have no issues. But I don't like this whole like some of the shimmers perform like this one, like the, what is this, pinkish reddish shade, and then some of them perform like this one where you need to use your finger or you need to wet something like that. Like I'm a touch person, I've told you guys this before, so I don't like having to use my fingers with makeup. But that's the best way you're gonna get color payoff for some of these shades. So I don't like that mixture of combination. So all of that mixed together with this eyeshadow palette, I'm just kind of like, I mean, obviously I was able to do something with it, and I like the look that I came up with, but I just like, you know, you buy these things to use more than once, and it's just like, would I use this again more than once? Probably not. There was the face milk that I tried under my makeup. It looks nice under my makeup. Again, I'll need someone to confirm is it a moisturizer or a primer. I would probably continue using it as a moisturizer. It feels nice, it looks nice under my makeup, so I'll probably still keep using that. And the lip mask, my lips feel nice, you know, after I took it off. I feel like my lip application looks nice on top of it, so I'll probably continue using that. So those are the two things that I can actually see myself use. The lip products, probably, you know, thrown here and there. They're not gonna become like an everyday type of product, any of them, but I can see myself using them again. But really it's the lip mask and the face milk that I can see myself actually like purposely saying I should use this today. So that's the best we've got out of the whole collection. So those are my thoughts on the collection. I definitely feel like, you know, my more fair skinned folks out there might get more use out of some of these things, like the eyeshadow palette, definitely the blushes. But I feel like in general, you're gonna buy this because of its ties to the movie, especially if it's your favorite Disney movie. This makes me feel like I should probably go watch the movie now, see if I watch the movie and then look at the collection, if it'll make sense to me a little bit more. The packaging is beautiful, but I'm not sure if that's a good thing, if like the best thing you can say is the packaging is beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Those were all the products that were in the collection. I hope seeing me test it out has helped. If any of you were interested in anything, yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.